Today in this video, we have an idea of using indicators to make profit. In this video, we will show how to use the combination of indicator and general analysis, which will drag into in the profit directly if you are using just your common sense. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Set your candle duration to 5 seconds and open the select the indicator name, Super Trend, and all the trades will took place for 10 seconds, and don't forget to follow the money management. It is a risky strategy, so don't use this for violated or bad market. The entry strategy is surgical. When Super Trend flips green above a key level, you enter long with a tight stop loss just below the flip point. For shorts, you do the opposite when it flips red below resistance. The beauty is in the timing. You're catching moves at their birth, not after they've already happened. Risk management separates winners from losers. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade, and always set your profit target at least twice your risk. The 5-second time frame demands discipline because emotions will destroy you faster than bad signals. If you're tired of being scammed on every channel and not getting real profits from so-called mentors, then it's time to make a change. Join our Telegram community and visit our official website. The links are in the description below. And here's something exciting. The first 5 people who join our team will get a chance to win a $20 reward each. Don't miss this opportunity. Act now and be a part of our growing community. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but understanding how professional traders think gives you a massive edge in an unforgiving market. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and join our team in Telegram.